Symbol and atomic number. Scandium is represented by the chemical symbol Sc, and it has the atomic number 21. It is a transition metal and belongs to the titanium group on the periodic table. Discovery. Scandium was discovered by the Swedish chemist Lars Fredrik Nilsson in 1879. Nilsson detected the element in minerals from Scandinavia, which is the origin of the element's name. Rare element. Scandium is relatively rare in the Earth's crust, and its occurrence is often associated with certain rare earth minerals. It is more abundant than silver in the Earth's crust. Alloying agent. Scandium is used as an alloying agent with aluminum to create high-strength, lightweight alloys. These alloys are used in aerospace applications, such as in the construction of aircraft and sports equipment. Scandium and solid oxide fuel cells. Scandium-stabilized zirconia is used in solid oxide fuel cells, SOFCs, as an electrolyte material. It enhances the efficiency and performance of these fuel cells. Flame test color. Scandium ions emit a bright white light when burned. This property is utilized in flame tests to identify the presence of scandium in a sample. Scandium halide lamps. Scandium iodide lamps are used in some high-intensity discharge lamps, producing a high-intensity light source. These lamps have applications in film and television production. Scandium in electronics. Scandium is used in certain electronic devices, including high-intensity lamps and lasers. Its properties make it valuable for applications requiring a focused and intense light source. Scandium and magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. Scandium is used in the manufacture of certain superconducting magnets used in MRI machines. The superconducting properties of these magnets enhance the quality of medical imaging. Scandium and nuclear reactors. Scandium-46 is used as a calibration source in nuclear reactors. It has a long half-life, making it suitable for this purpose. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.